are going to find out magnetic field at the center of current carrying circular coil. Let this is a circular current carrying coil. I be the current, A be its radius, O be its center, where we have to find out magnetic field using Biot-Savart's law. As we know that Biot-Savart's law is applicable for a small current element, therefore we are taking a small current element dl and its direction is same as the I. According to Biot-Savart's law, magnetic field dB equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sin theta upon A square, where A is the distance between dl and O. Right? Now, theta equal to 90 degree, because theta is the angle between dl and A. This will be 90 degree. dB equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl upon A square. Right? Direction of this magnetic field will be inward, that is inside the plane. Direction will be inward. Now take another element dl and magnetic field intensity due to this dl element at the point O will be this much and direction will be inward. If you are taking any portion or any element dl, the magnetic field intensity at the center will be mu naught 4 pi I dl upon A square in inward direction. Therefore, magnetic field due to whole loop at its center is given as B equal to integral dB equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I by A square integral dl. Right? Now B equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I by A square into integral dl, that will be equal to the circumference, and this will be 2 pi A. Okay. This A and A cancel, 2 pi. This and B equal to mu naught by 2 I by A. For n number of turns, B equal to mu naught by 2 and I by A. This is the magnetic field at the center of this circular coil, which is carrying current I, and its direction will be inward. Now we are going to find out magnetic field due to current carrying arc at its center. This is an arc PQ carrying current I, making angle theta with center. Now what will be the magnetic field due to this arc at the point O? Now we are going to use Biot-Savart's law to find out magnetic field at the point O. But as we know that Biot-Savart's law is applicable for the small current element, therefore I am taking small current element dl here, and this distance is a, and direction of dl is direction of current. Now according to Biot-Savart's law, dB equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sin theta upon r square. Here r equal to a, which is the distance between dl and O, theta equal to 90 degree, which is angle between dl and a, then dB equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl sin 90 by a square, and dB equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I dl upon a square. Now magnetic field due to this arc P to Q will be B equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I by a square dl, and this is equal to P equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I by a square into L, where L is the length of the arc. But what will happen if angle theta is given to us? In this case, we know that theta equal to arc upon radius. Now theta equal to arc L upon A, and L equal to A theta. B equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I into A theta by a square. This and this cancel. B equal to mu naught upon 4 pi I theta by a. This is the magnitude of magnetic field due to an arc PQ at its center when this angle theta is given to us. But remember, this theta will be in radian, right? If length L is given, then we are going to use this relation, right? Thank you.